I think we could all agree loafers have been a super trend in streetwear these days. I mean, you got guys switching out their sneakers for a pair of loafers, and a lot more people have just been, buying loafers and, getting into that kind of footwear. But I will admit, I was buying more loafers than sneakers like, a couple years ago. So I do have a fair share of loafers in my collection of shoes. But anyways, today we are taking a look at a special pair of loafers. So let's get into it. What up, everybody? My name is Chris. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you're new here, we talk a lot about sneakers. So if you're into that, consider subscribing down below. All right, so like I said, today we have a special shoe to review in hand, and that is the Fugazi 2-cent loafer. These retailed for $222, and I was able to secure my pair through the official Fugazi website. If you want to know more about Fugazi and the brand and the founder Trevor Gorgie, I suggest you go check out my guy What's the Hype's video. He had a whole video on Trevor, and it's a nice little video if you want to know a little bit about the history. But let's get into the shoe. First off, I want to applaud Trevor on the design of the box and packaging. From his past sneakers, he always delivers with packaging. The shoes come in an all black premium box with the Fugazi logo stamped on the top. And opening up the box, you can see it's all red inside with the Fugazi branding again. And with this pair of loafers, you do get a nice red dust bag that did come with the other sneakers that he released as well. I have the gunmetal gray ones, and it did come with a dust bag like this, which is a nice touch, to know that you will have something to protect your sneakers or your shoes in general. He also didn't cheap out on the paper inside the box. It has the 2-cent coin with Trevor on one side and the Fugazi 2-cent branding on the other, which is super dope because this penny loafer does actually come with a physical coin in the loafer, and you'll see that in a second. Starting off the outsole, it is kind of a thicker outsole with nice pattern design. I've noticed with all the shoes that he's produced, he doesn't just slap on some random outsole tread. It is his own design, as you can tell. And the one thing that brings it home for me regarding the outsole is that it is a rubber outsole by Vibram or Vibram. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I know it is an Italian company that does produce premium rubber outsoles. So, that is a plus in my eyes, and I'm pretty sure to all of you that have got the shoes. And then on the midsole, you can see this red lining that goes all around the shoe. I'm gonna say it again, the quality on the shoe is incredible. He really did put in work when it came to this loafer. As you can see, the shoe is made up of this nice black pebbled leather. This loafer is such great quality, no complaints. This really is like a luxury shoe. Again, the 2-cent loafer is a penny style loafer, so you do actually get a coin that is part of the shoe. I don't even know what part of that is. It's like this strap material that goes around the shoe. You guys have seen it on other pair of loafers, I'm pretty sure. But like I said, it does really come with a coin, which is such an awesome detail to the shoe.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood. Today.
It is nice to know that these shoes are made in Portugal, so these are a premium pair of loafers. This is not made in China or whatever it is, Vietnam, but these were made in Portugal, and it's nice to know that the outsole is from Italy, so you're getting quality with this pair of loafers. Now, in terms of sizing, like I said, I did get my true size 10, and they do fit well. They're a little bit harder to get into at first. I think that's just because of the shape and the materials used on the shoe. So if you are in the market for these loafers, I would go true to size. And also to mention, it doesn't come in any half sizes. So, I would go true to size, or, your next size that you usually wear. I am very happy with these pair of loafers, especially, I've been buying a lot of sneakers these days, and kind of off my loafer game. I'm gonna try and get back into it. I know it's a trend right now. I'm glad I got this pair. It's very, very premium quality, and I can't recommend it enough. So if you did enjoy that and I did provide you with some sort of value, I appreciate you hitting the like button down below. It does really help me out in the YouTube algorithm. Helps me reach out to more people in the YouTube space to continue building this community. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I put a video out like this. And guys, I'm gonna put out more videos soon, like I said. I just want to bring something a little bit different. I copped these loafers a while back on the drop, and I was in a little bit of a slump, but I'm trying to slowly get back into it. Hopefully bring you guys more content. We are on the way to 500 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. And I appreciate everybody that has been subscribing and keeping up with the content. There's more on the way, I promise you, but I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying safe. I'll see you soon.
I can go straight to the jungle. Flip me a bag and it tumble. Talking that cash and you like the mumble. Yellow Ferrari, this shit be the bumble. Order a 30, that be like the rumble. Getting it in, it better be pronto. Smoking the wood or I'm smoking the fronto. Shout out my daddy, that nigga be bongo. Eating the walls, looking like a Congo. Me and my thoughts and trapped out of Congo.